Hi, my name is Guadalupe Fonseca and I will be presenting about how to make learning fun. You might be asking yourself, can you make learning fun? How can learning be fun? If you feel learning is not for you because you feel that you can never learn no matter how hard you tried, this presentation is for you. The first thing I need you to think about is how do you feel when you think of learning? If you visualize yourself in between a stack of books with a question mark in your head, you're not alone. So the question is, why is learning so hard or even scary and mind blowing for most of us and easy for few? Well, to be able to see learning as fun, the first things you need to know are what learning is and how it occurs. According to the article of Teach Them How They Learn, Learning Styles and Information Systems Educations by Cedric, Hazen, and Rayner, learning is an acquisition of different types of knowledge. You can receive this knowledge via any of the five senses. Do you know there are four different ways of learning? The four ways of learning styles are visual, auditory, read and write is considered one learning style, and kinesthetic. Visual learners will like to use images to learn. They enjoy watching videos. YouTube videos will be a good research for you if you like to learn with your eyes. If you're a visual learner, you enjoy this lesson because the picture is telling you the story. When you ask a visual learner for a vocabulary word, ask the student to visualize the word. This will do all the difference for them. So if you need to learn new vocabulary, remember to add a drawing or a picture to the word. A visual learner better understands numbers and information if they can see it in the graphs and pictures. Think about this next time you study for science and math. An auditory learner is someone that likes to learn through listening to lectures, music, poetry, and things that rhymes. Yes, listening is your strong suit, even if you're a teenager, I guess. Here are some tips I can give auditory learners. Discuss topics with classmates and listen to different ideas. When it comes time to memorize vocabulary, make it into a rhyme or a poem and repeat it to yourself. Or better yet, have another person say it to yourself, to you. There another option will be to find a website like Quizlet.com that can repeat it to you. Read and write learner means you learn best by reading articles about different topics. Writing not only comes easy for you, but it is the best tool to express yourself. Here are some tips for learners with this style. Ask your teacher for articles that talk about the topic that you're learning or about to learn so they can do some research. When the teacher is giving a lecture, make sure that you take notes that make sense to you. Taking good notes and then rereading them will help you understand the material better. Kinesthetic learners need to move and learn by doing. Hands-on projects helps the students absorb and master the concepts. If they can touch it, they can learn it. This does not mean that you're going to do your homework while walking on a treadmill. The kinesthetic movement must have many of the concepts. For example, in science class, when learning about volcanoes, build a model Or when learning fractions in math, bake a cake or share a candy bar. What is the point? By understanding that we all learn in different ways, and by identifying your unique way of learning, this helps you see learning in a different way and start seeing learning as fun. So next time you are trying to learn and you feel that for some reason you can't, analyze which of the learning styles that we discussed best describes your learning style and try again. I hope that all this I hope that at this point you discover what type of learner you are. It is okay to feel in between two learning styles. One might work better in a subject and the other one in another subject. In other words, dare to make mistakes while learning and have an open mind. Remember that making mistakes is the first step of your learning journey. By using the tools I just provided to you, dare to discover all the new things you can now learn and enjoy making your new learning journey again. Thank you for your time.